Hi, my name is Bright Morgan. I'm 28 years old. I am a 10 because I am calm, collected, adaptive, intelligent, have a good sense of humor. The one thing I will not be caught doing in Biggie's house is stealing. I don't steal because I place myself in a very high value, so I wouldn't go solo to steal anyone's property or take something that doesn't belong to me. The Big Brother moment that makes me want to be in the Big Brother house is the party and the games. I am very athletic and I'm a very competitive person, so I like those tasks and the games. And again, the party night is, I like to party. I like to have a sip of, some alcohol and get the place turned up. Okay, the role that best describes me is being a hopeless romantic. I love love, and not just love. I'm a very kind-hearted person. I like to show love to same sex and opposite sex. Winning Big Brother Season 10 means everything to me because I have a brand and this is an opportunity to put my brand out there to the world. I have so many things lined up to do. So winning Big Brother Season 10 is, it's just going to be the starting of a wonderful career, a wonderful brand. Yeah. Okay, my 10, you have to be very intelligent. I get turned on when I have deep conversations. You have to have a good sense of humor, and you have to be down to earth. And again, you need to be a fine thing. Yeah.